what is your name?
My name is Mia.
How old are you?
I am 6 years old.
What's your favorite bedroom thing?
I like teddy bear.
Where do you go on holiday? I go to the beach. Now let us have the FF2 speaking test for Unit 8 mealtime. Now let's have the alphabet letter.
M, Y, A, S, Z, H, W, D, V, B, E, C, D, F,
U,
X, I, Q, B, K, O, R, T, L, V, X, Y,
letter.
Y,
This is Y. Letter J. How are you?
I'm cool, I'm hot, I'm happy, I'm sad, I'm excited, I'm angry, I'm sick, I'm dry, I'm bored, I'm scared, I'm tired, I am hungry, I am thirsty,
How are you, Mia?
I am hot,
Let's have colors. What color is it?
green, pink, black, brown, gray, red, blue, orange,
What color is it?
purple, orange, white, yellow.
What's your favorite color?
I like pink.
Okay. Let's have numbers. Number
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Okay. How many mangoes are there?
There are
8
18
mangoes.
mangoes.
How many carrots are there?
There are
18.
18 carrots.
How many potatoes are there? 7. 17.
17 potatoes.
How many lemons are there? 15.
15 lemon.
Let's have Unit 8 mealtime. What is it? Cheese, rice,
Potato.
chicken,
Chicken. Soup. Sandwich.
salad.
Salad. Fish.
What has she got?
She got soup. He got potato.
What has he got?
He got potato,
Rice.
rice, and salad.
What has he got?
He got fish, wine, and salad.
What has he got?
He got
Cheese.
cheese.
Let's have phonic sounds. Egg.
Egg.
What's this?
Bigger. Bigger. Bigger.
Let's read. Test.
Test.
Go, go. Sandwiches. Test.
Have got two sandwiches.
Test.
Have got one sandwich. I sandwich. Và my sandwiches. Sorry.
Test. Good job, Mia. That's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye.